expressing about G20. G20 is started in 1999, following the Asian Finance from of Asian Ministry and Bank Government. Now I am expressing about India. India, India Prime Minister is Narendra Modi. India's seat is New Delhi. India has take over. India has take over presidents of G20 Summit in 2022. G20 India has put with six agendas priorities of the G20 presidents in 2023. Thank you.
This is Tejasvi from 9th standard TS Maris Bayan. Now I would like to represent about G20. G20 or Group of 20 is an intergovernmental closing comprising 19 countries and European Union. It composed almost all the world largest countries and finance minister involved in these industrial and developing countries. Now I would like to represent about UK capital is London and the Prime Minister of UK is Rishi Sunak. Now I could like to again represent about the UK. UK is finance, experiential or contributed decisions on global stability and the regular of formula. Thank you.
This is Sridhar from TS Maris Bayan. Today I am expressing about G20. G20 started in 1999. Following the Asian financial crisis, as a firm from finance minister and central bank governors from the major developed and emerging economics to discuss the financial issues. The global financial crisis in 2008. It grew into the Leader Summit, a place where the president and prime minister could get together for 2 days to solve the world's economic problems. In this G20, now I am expressing about the European Union. Charles Michel is the president of European Union. Represent its member state and engage in discussions on a wide range of issues, including trade, regulations, and global governance. Remember that these roles are not fixed and can based on the economics, political, and global social development. Thank you for giving this opportunity to me.
Myself G. Sanjana, studying 10th standard from Maris Bayaram at Namalpadu. Now I am going to express about G20. G20 is started in 1999 following the Asian financial crisis as a forum for finance ministers and central bank governors as from major developed and emerging economics to discuss about the global financial crisis and issues. Amid the financial crisis in 2008, it grew to the Leaders Summit, a place where presidents and prime minister all could together for 2 days and try to solve the world's problem. Now I am represents about Russia. Russian country. The capital city of Russia is Moscow and Sergei Lavrov is the foreign minister of Russia. The Russia participates in discussions on energy markets, geopolitical stability and global security. Thank you.
Okay, Rajeshwar. I am studying 10th standard. I am from EMRS Bayaram at Namalpadu. I express in the G20. The G20 is started in 1999 following the Asian financial crisis as a form for financial ministers and central bank governors form major developed and emerging economic to discuss global financial issues. I represented the United States. The capital city of United States Washington. Often a weaver of global economic and policy discussion, particularly given its status as the world largest economy. Thank you.
Myself, I am Krishna Kumari. I am studying 9th standard Ekalavya Model Residential School, Bayaram at Nonapad. I am expressing about G20. G20 is a group of 20, is an intergovernment of few expressing of 19 countries and European Union. The G20 was founded in 1999, was a response of the several world economic crisis. Since 2008, it has conducted as the last once a year, which summits involving each member head of the government or state, financial minister and foreign minister and high recurring officials, and with the European Union representing minister and the communication and the bank central minister. Now I am representing about Italy. Italy capital is Rome, and Italy is a contributor to discussion on financial stability and development and issues affecting the European Union. Thank you.
My name is Ashita. I am studying 9th standard. Today I am sharing my thoughts about G20. G20 or a group of 20 is an intergovernmental shape from comprising 19 countries and the European Union. The G20 was founded in 1999. In response to several world economic series. Since 2008, it had convened at least once a year, with summits involving each of the members, state of head of government or state financial ministers or foreign ministers and some higher ranking officials. And the EU is represented by a European Commissions and European central banks, and other countries, international organizations and non-governmental organizations or
Good afternoon everyone, this is Anu. I am studying 9th standard. I am from Bayaram Ekalavya Model Residential School at Namalpad. I am expressing about G20. The G20 was founded in 1999 in response to cerebral war economic series. Since 2008, it has converted at least once a year with summit involving each members or head of the government, state financial ministers or foreign ministers and other high-ranking officials. The EU is represented by the European Commissions and the European Central Bank. Other country, international organizations and non-government organizations are invited to attend the summit once permanently. I am expressing about France. The France capital is Paris. France is advocates for sustainable development and climate actions and political stability. Thank you.
Myself, I am D. Manvita. I am studying 9th standard at Ekalavya Model Residential School, Bayaram at Namalpad. I am expressing about G20. The G20 or group of 20 is an intergovernmental forum comprising 9 countries and the European Union. It was formed on 1999 September 26. It addresses major issues. It related to global economics such as international financial stability, climate changes and mitigation and sustainable development. Now I am representing about Brazil. Brazil country capital has Brasilia. Brazil president was Luis Inacio Lula da Silva. Brazil sees the G20 as an opportunity to adequate for inclusive economic growth and development. It also promotes dialogues on agriculture, trades, and environmental sustainability. Thank you.
This is Ramadevi from 10th standard. I am from TSCMRS Bayaram. The G20 or Group of 20 is an intergovernmental forum comprising 19 countries and the European Union. It works to addressing some major issues related to global economics such as international financial stabilities, climate change mitigations and sustainable development. G20 was founded in 1999 in a response to several world economic crises. Since 2008, it has confirmed at least once a year with summits involving each members of head of government or state, financial ministers or foreign ministers or other high rankers officials. Now I am representing about Indonesia. Advocated for the interest of Southeast Asia, economic growth and financial stability. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, this is Ekpulsa. I am studying 9th standard. I am from Eklavya Model Residential School, Bayaram at Namalapadu. I am going to express about G20. G20 or Group of 20 is an intergovernment forum comprising 19 countries and the European Union. It was formed in 1999, September 26th. It works to address major issues related to global economy, such as international financial stability, climate change mitigation and sustainable development. It is a topic about G20. I am going to represent about China. China capital city Beijing. Its president Jinping. He was the president of China. China has the second largest economy. China policies influence trade, investment and global economic growth in G20. Thank you.
My name is B. Monica. I am studying 9th standard in EMRS Bayaram at Namalapadu. Now I am sharing my thoughts about G20. The G20 is a group of 20 is an intergovernment comprising 19 countries and the European Union. It was formed in 1999, September 26. It was work or address major issues related to the global economics such as international financial stability, climate change mitigation and sustainable development. Now I am representing by Australia. Australia capital is Canberra and Australia Prime Minister is Anthony Albanese. Australia exhibits open trade, economic growth and digital innovation within the G20 framework. It focuses on strengthening global financial systems and addressing climate change. Thank you.
My name is G. Sojana. I am studying 9th standard, EMRS Bayaram at Namalapadu. I am express about G20. G20 is a group of 20. Is an intergovernmental form comprising 19 countries of the European Union. It was formed by 1999, September 26. It was work addresses major issues which are related to the global economic, and such as international fractional stability, climate change, sustainable development. I am representing about Canada. Canada capital city is Ottawa. Canada Prime Minister is Justin Trudeau. Canada often addresses trade, environmental and social issues, including gender equality. Thank you.
Good afternoon all, this is Kashwar. I am from EMRS Bayaram. I am studying 10th standard. Now I will express G20. The G20 started in 1999 following the Arabian final crisis. Has a formed for finance minister and central bank governors from major developed and emerging economies to discuss global financial issues. The global financial crisis is in 2008, it grew into the leaders place where the president and prime minister could get together for 2 days to try to solve the world's economic problems. Now I will represent of the South Africa continent advocate for development and addresses issue to related of the inequality. The president of the South Africa, Cyril Ramaphosa. Thank you.
Myself, Vidana. I am studying 9th standard. I am from Eklavya Model Residential School, Bayaram. I am expressing about the G20. G20 or Group of 20 is an intergovernment form comprising 19 countries and the European Union, and it works to address major issues related to the global economy, such as international financial stability, climate and international financial stability, climate and change, magnitude and situation development. And the G20 was formed in 1999 in response to several world economic crises. Since 2008, it has convened at least once a year, with the summits involving each member's head of government or state, finance minister or foreign minister, and other high officials. And the EU is represented by the European composition and the European Central Bank. Other countries like international organizations and non-government organizations or invited the attend of not some permanent. And for the 2023 summit of the Narendra Modi ji was advised as one earth, one family and one future. And I am representing the country is Germany. Germany's capital city is Berlin, and his Olaf Scholz is the leader of this Germany. Germany is known for its strong support oriented economic. Germany often advocates for trade policy and industrial advancements. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. This is M. Dimati. I am studying 10th standard. I am from Eklavya Model Residential School, Bayaram at Namalpad. Today I want to express about G20. G20 or Group of 20 is an intergovernmental forum comprising 19 countries and one European Union. It is formed on 1999 September 26th. It works for only major issues
9th standard EMRS Bayaram. I am expressing about G20. G20 or Group of 20 is an intergovernmental forum comparing 90 countries and European Union. It works in address to major issues related to the global economic such as international financial stability, climate change mitigation and sustainable development. The G20 was founded in 1999 to respond the several world's economic since 2008 summit involving each member's head of government or state financial minister or foreign ministers and other high ranking officials. Now I am representing about Japan. Japan capital city is Tokyo. Japan a major contributor financial stability and developing discussions with a focus on technology and innovation. Thank you.
My name is K.M. Navi. I am studying 10th standard. I am from EMRS Bayaram at Navalapadu. Now I am going to express about G20. The G20 are group of 20 is an intergovernment forum comprising 19 countries and the European Union. The G20 was founded in 1999 in response to several world economic crises. Since 2008, it has convened at least once a year, with summits involving each member's head of government or state finance minister or foreign minister and other high-ranking officials. The EU is represented by the European Commission and the European Central Bank. Other countries, international organizations and non-governmental organizations are invited to attend the summit, some permanently. Now I represented about Turkey. The capital city of Turkey is Ankara. Recep Tayyip Erdogan is the president of Turkey. Contributes to discussion on emerging market, trade and geopolitical stability. Thank you.
This is Vijayalakshmi, studying 10th standard, EMRS Bayaram at Namalapadu. Today I represent about the Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabian Mohammed bin Salman Kroon, Prince of Prime Minister, focuses on energy markets, development in the Middle East, and economic diversifications. The group of G20